You guys, what is up? Today I am unboxing the Samsung Galaxy J5. I'm so looking forward to unboxing this. This is my dad's work phone, but yeah, once it's unboxed I'll show you some of the specs. 13 megapixels. This phone has 12 megapixels. Finger scanner, whoa. So, I believe this is curved edge screen. This is the 2017 model, as it says there. Oh, that's nice. I'm doing here. Oh, it's not curved screen. I thought it was. Because here we have the phone. Hopefully it is charged. Samsung usually do that, but this is nice. I will be unboxing the S8 soon, guys. I know the S9's out, but I like doing like 1 year later stuff. So yeah, do it from here. Oh, here it is in all its glory. Wow, this is a nice phone, guys. I prefer this to the S7, or the S7 and the S6, because this doesn't have a like pokey out thingy here. They're like the normal S6, not the Edge. Plus these are slightly curved screens. I really like the bezel thing for the like cooling. It still keeps the headphone jack, so does the S8 and S9. But wow, that is, what is that? I think that's just a speaker. Yes, it's a speaker. You got a microphone here, speaker here, power button here. It's like popping out finger home button. The back button in the wrong place. Samsung always puts it in a different position. I kind of like it the other way, but you get used to having it that side. It is a physical button. You've got all this writing stuff. Camera, like flash with it. But let's try and turn this on, shall we? It's micro USB, that's a bit of a disappointment. But yeah, let's put this to one side. I'll power that on in a sec. So this is full metal, 13 megapixels, fingerprint scanner. Right, so here, put this in the corner of the screen so you guys can see. Quick start manual, go to that in a sec. Here we have the ejector tool. The S8 comes in a nicer box and a nicer like tool and stuff. So does the S9. Here we have the charger. I've got a Alcatel one here. I've got like a little thingy bit, but I kind of like that design. Put it here. Oh, then this one's got it on the bottom. That one's got it on the side. This bit here. It's very nice. Here we have the earphones, not the AKG ones what you get on the thing. They actually look quite dated. This phone is £150, so it's not one of Samsung's best, but it is really nice. So far I'm preferring it to my actual iPhone. I am an Android fan, but I have an iPhone because when I got my iPhone I was an iPhone fan. It has a button here, I'm not sure if that's probably just for pause, microphone, Samsung logo, earpieces, we'll try them out and I'm going to compare them. Oh, wait, why is it really long there, really short there? That's very strange. I don't know how you actually use that really. Yes, that side. Right, let's just put these in. Yeah. That's fine. That's a bit weird actually, but anyway, more earphones for the house. I'm going to compare them to these earphones. But I know they are kind of, they're Apple ones, like rebranded. They're not Apple ones, sorry. They're like different type, like coloured things. Then we have the micro USB charging port. I would really wish it was a USB Type C, but it's not. That's fine. It's very short actually. Next, oh, there is nothing next. So that is the back of the box. Very weird style for the headphones, I have to admit. But let's try and turn this on. Actually, no, I'll show you for this quick side. It's very nice. I think I need to power on. Usually Samsung and Apple, they're like the two people who put their phones, give it power. So just a quick guide. Not much to it really. Back key, power key, home key, fingerprint. Yeah. Got some nice earphones for the micro USB port, and only that. When I'm holding it, it feels a bit weird. I'll show you why. Because maybe take this out. When I'm holding this phone, you can't feel any of the logos. Well, on this, it's really relevant. It's really, you can kind of hear it. It's really like, you kind of need a case for it, I'd say. It's really nice to hold though. Design, it's way nicer than my iPhone. The button's nicer, it's got a nicer click to it. It's good that it keeps the headphone jack. The 6S keeps the headphone jack, which is my phone. Yeah, it's got, oh no. Look, so at the top it's got this speaker where you put hold up to, if calls, on the 6S it has that. But if you can see, dirt gets stuck in it. With the S8 and S9 it sticks out, so dirt can't get in it. There's looks like it has a flash. I think that's a flash, guys. Let me quickly look in the start menu. Got a feeling that's a flash. A selfie flash. Really? Doesn't say anything about a flash on here. Has a flash on the back. It does have a So that's a camera. That's the thing when you put it up to your head, it turns the screen off, and that's obviously flash. Got Samsung writing on, doesn't usually have that, but I'm going to charge this up and I'll be straight back with you. So I'm charging it up at the moment, just turn it on now. I'm using the Samsung lead. I'm having to move the camera over because it's so short. But it is turned on. It looks like it is powering on now. I know on my Samsung tablet you had to, it's a weird way of turning it on. Yeah, let's see about this ejector tool. So it looks like a big one, so maybe it supports, oh, there's two. Wait. No, wait, does this have work and a normal phone? Oh, that's cool. Oh, wow. So it seems to have a work. Oh, wait, let's read this. So it says, oh, nothing to do with it. I believe that is a work or big one and a smaller one. But it can fit a smaller one there. So that's that. What's this one? This one must be a micro USB, micro SD. Yes, that is the SD. It says, oh no, that's SIM. So that's SIM there, and that is the SD. Okay, that's kind of weird. I don't get why they've done that. 1%. I'll come back to you when this is 100%. Guys, I'm just going to quickly unbox these two. So yeah, they are like reskinned versions of the Apple earphones. I'll quickly go and get the Apple earphones here. Here they are. I'll undo these, if I can undo them. As you can see, this bit here is exactly the same, just that one's got a cool colour on it. And the actual earbuds, exactly the same. Just like, I'm not sure whether the white. One problem I have with the Apple ones, when you put your ear in it, there's a lot of earwax on it. will get a lot of earwax that's stuck to it. Hopefully different colours will hide that a bit. So the wire feels nicer than the actual Apple ones. These were £6, the Apple ones are obviously like £35 on the Apple website. Which is just stupid. And they're not wireless or anything, it's wired. And the Apple ones are 35. These are basically exactly the same. Now I'm going to test the quality on my iPhone, and then I'm going to test the quality on the Samsung phone. But it's not much to show. They literally look like... In fact, wait. Could they just be reskinned ones? Because they got the same feel to them and everything. I mean, they're a different colour on the grill. These are a lot lighter. A lot lighter. So, I don't know. One annoying thing though is I have... get this. These, which is 2 to 1, if only they were the opposite way around, 1 to 2, like a splitter. But apart from that, I'm gonna link these two up, like not link them, but attach them. But I'll do like a cool like thingy of this phone in a minute. For me it'd be tomorrow when it's lighter. But this has 720 by, let's get this. 720 by 1280. 13 megapixels as you saw, 1080p. I don't know if it shoots in 4K. I know the new S9 shoots in HDR. 3GB of RAM, which is really good. Exynos 7870 octa. 3000 milliamp an hour. How do you pronounce it? Leon battery. So this is really good. This has 2000 and this is 3000. I mean, that's really good. And this is an OLED screen, and you can see that clearly as it blends in with the bars at the top. Where here, if I get black colour, it's off Nathan. But if I get a black colour, it'll be you'll be able to see the bezels. It's more like a grey. Where on here it's like a dark, which is really cool. So this will use less battery and it has a bigger battery. So yeah, I will see you when this is turned on. So guys, we just finished with the J3. Jonathan just tried a toxic waste. I'm used to it. I don't mind it. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe. Yeah. So see ya.